Hello. In this video, I will show you the new features in version 3.6 of the PDF Index Generator program. I am really happy and proud to tell you that our program can now index books using artificial intelligence. AI is now part of the family. This is a huge step forward for us, and I am excited to show you how it will change the way you build book indexes forever. It will save you hours of work. Let us get started and see how this works. We are now in step 2 of the program. In step 2, you will see this new option, Index Book using AI. This new section has all the features concerning artificial intelligence indexing. In previous program versions, you were only able to use classic mode, where you had to manually create word lists or rely on document formatting to create the book index, which required days and days of work. But in this new AI mode, you can now index your book in just a few minutes using artificial intelligence. The AI reads your book, understands the content, and pulls out the best index terms for you. Let me show you how it works. Let us go back to step 1. I will use a sample book called Language Revival Stories. This book has 190 pages and about 70,000 words. I have already added the book to step 1 by dragging and dropping it into the text field. Now I am ready to move to step 2. Click Next to go to step 2. Turn on the index book using AI option. If you want, you can change the AI settings by clicking the Subjects and Categories link. For now, I will keep the default settings to keep things simple. Now click the Generate Index button. A progress bar will appear. It shows what the program is doing in the background. For example, it will read your AI settings, check your internet connection, make sure the PDF file is valid, and more. It is important to understand that this AI feature uses a credit system. We call them AI credits. These credits pay for the AI engine that does the work. The good news is that we give you free AI credits to start with. They are more than enough to index your book. I will not go into all the details here, but I will leave links in the video description. Those links explain everything about the credit system. As you can see on the progress bar, the program is checking your credit balance. It wants to make sure you have enough credits to continue. Then it shows a confirmation message with 3 things. How many credits this task will cost, how many credits you will have left after, and how long the task will take. You can cancel here and pay nothing, or you can proceed. I will click Proceed. Now the program and AI will start doing the magic. It will read the book, upload it to the AI engine, and build the index. The AI can work with books in any language: English, French, Italian, German, and even Chinese or Arabic. It has no problem with that at all. I will fast forward the video to show you what happens when it is done. Welcome back. The AI work here is complete. When the process finishes, you will see a success message showing how many terms were indexed and the actual time it took. Click Done to go to step 3. Here are the AI-generated index terms. You can see it created a good number of terms. Take your time to review them and make any changes. At first glance, you will notice the AI collected headers and subheaders successfully. Created cross-references for related terms, and labeled all terms here with the comment, Word added through AI. My advice is to always review the AI's work carefully before moving on. Click Next to go to step 4. Choose where to save your new PDF file. Click Start Writing. Done. Let's open it. As you can see, we have a professional-looking index, and it took less than 1 hour. That is amazing. Before ending this video, I want to show you 2 more features in the AI indexing option. Click back 3 times to return to step 2. Here you can see the subjects and categories link. Click it. You will see 3 AI modes. Mode 1, Automatic Mode. We just used this one. It's the default AI mode. This mode tells the AI, here is the book, read it and suggest any terms you think should be in the index. The second mode is the Subjects mode. This mode comes with predefined subjects. Example. If I enable the person names item and click OK, I am telling the AI, index this book but only collect person names. I want a names index. The AI will find all person names in the book. It can also reverse names such as last name, first name automatically. This is very useful for authors who want to create a names index for their books. This is very common for biographies, memoirs, history books, academic dissertations, and conference proceedings, where readers often search for specific people. The third mode is the Categories mode. In this mode, you give the AI your own list of terms. You say, please index my book using only the terms I have defined in these categories. This is very useful if you already have 1 or more term lists and just want a smart way to build the index. I have made detailed video tutorials about all 3 AI modes. You can find them in the video tutorials section on our website. Also, we have updated the help section on our website. It looks much cleaner and more modern now. You can even download the PDF help, which has all the help content. I only showed you 1 feature in version 3.6, but there are many more improvements and bug fixes. For the full list, check the release log section on our website. If you have feedback or suggestions, please reach out. We truly value your ideas. They help us create better, more user-friendly releases. That's the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.